Where's the music? No, we don't need music.
Why don't you sing for us?
I just need your attention for 5 minutes, just full attention. I like attention. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you very much for coming, and I'm sure all of you enjoyed. Is there anyone who did not enjoy? Yep. Is there anyone who did not enjoy? Anyone else who did not enjoy? So everybody enjoyed, yeah?
Yeah.
Enjoy, huh?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So we're going to do a small ceremony.
Presentation ceremony.
No, Chaitanya has got so many certificates for us. We are used to do certification ceremony. This is a trophy ceremony, medal ceremony. Well, the main thing was actually to just get everybody together and enjoy and have fun. Of course, there is a little bit of competitive spirit, so somebody wins and somebody doesn't. But then we take it in that spirit. So, all right. So what we're going to do is we're going to give some prizes now. So the first match we had was between the two Accenture teams. The Accenture team captain was Mohan and the other one was Chaitanya. So the team Mohan played was 129 was the total score, and Chaitanya's team had a total of 78 score. So Mohan's team won. So we give Best Player award to Amit, who scored 51 runs.
Amit.
I'm speechless.
Just say thanks to my mother, my father, my
My pet, my cat, my dog, everybody.
Oh my God, the main one is gone now.
Okay, so the next one goes to Karthik, who got 28 runs. Karthik in the Chaitanya's team. Karthik.
You have to bend down.
You have to see the camera.
Kaka.
Thanks, Karthik. So the next one, the match was between HSBC team led by Kaptan Karan and IIT team led by Kaptan Sandeep.
Yo!
So the best player on the HSBC side is Mr. Rebest. Rebest?
Best is the best.
Has been given this name, Rebest. Who's the best? Robert?
Must be Robert.
Yeah, Robert. And on the other side, it was Mr. Nitin Ban.
Yes! Keeper! Yo!
Within.
Okay, so the next third match was done between Accenture and HSBC, and Mr. Rob got the goal with 21 scores, 37.
Yeah!
And then the next one was silver for a score of 15. Karthik. Okay, so here comes the final match. So the final was between Accenture and IIT, and the IIT team won. Kind of emotional because I'm on Accenture and IIT both sides. Okay, so we have from the IIT team Akshat.
Oh,
Yo! Well played!
Congratulations. Thank you. And on the other side, we had Vati. Vati?
Well played.
Congratulations.
Okay, next is basically the man of the series was, well, before I say that, I have to say that the other one is Mr. Vadi with a score of 46. Vadi The next one is man of the series is Mr.
the number one is Karthik.
Karthik. Mr. Karthik. I have got one special prize for a special guest, but I don't remember his name. What's his name?
Yo!
Say your name loudly. Sharaf. Yes. Okay, say, did you have fun today? Say it loudly.
Yes,
I had fun.
I have fun.
I want to come again.
I want to come again.
Okay, now comes the team. Team reward goes to the IIT captain Sandeep. You can-
Yes, Sandy!
What on popular demand? I never kissed a cup.
At least a teacup.
I think what we can also do is we can take one picture on the stairs where everybody can see the whole team. But before we go, one from the last time we had Mr. Ravi Kumar, and he had won an award, and we owe him this award. Mr. Ravi Kumar, please. Ravi, take the picture. Don't be shy.
One minute, sorry.
Not for the next 3 months.
अरे ये steady नहीं हो रहा है.
So just wanted to say a few words of thanks to everybody who has contributed. All of you have contributed, but especially Sandeep, Chaitanya, Mohan, and all those who helped in organizing, Karan and all the captains. So, and plus all of you for coming today and making it a successful event. Thank you very much. Get one group picture on the stairs over there. It will be easier to get that. And then
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amrit. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.